Discussing about Clockify. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Clockify. It is, you have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account or multiple sub accounts at the same time. I'm choosing this one. Continue with that. Allow and install. And yeah, it is successfully installed. Now back moving forward towards agency. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed Clockify. Here we are. As you can see, it is installed. Find the sub account. Now here we are on the sub account and we have to configure Clockify into our workflows. To do that, so we have to find add configuration here in the side navigation bar and find for Clockify. Here it is. You have to get it configured. Here we are. As you can see, we have to find the API key. To do that, so we have to set up our account with Clockify, and in the settings you can find the API key. Let me show you how to do that. So now we are in the Clockify account and we have to generate first with the API key. As you can see, I have already done it, and the thing we will be doing that, so we will be just copy pasting the API key from here and paste it there to just get it configured with our platform. After pasting your API key here, you have to submit. And as you can see, it is successfully configured now. The next step will be moving forward towards the automations to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Now we will be creating our workflow and start from scratch. We are in the workflow builder now and we have to create a new action. Find for Clockify. Here it is, and it allows us to create a new task. Here you have to select your workspace and with the task name. Select the status of that. Just taking a while. Yeah. And the project name. As I have already created a project, that's why it is showing here. You have to create a new project in your Clockify account and then it will be shown here. Save this action. Create some notes with that. Select custom values and find for Clockify. Create task. You can choose whatever you want. I'm just setting an example right now. Now we will be testing our workflows with any of our contact. Run this test and now we will be heading towards the execution logs. Now here we are. As you can see, it is successfully executed with the notes. It is simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.